Even if you have incredibly short hair, you can still do a basic double-ended install. Let me show you how. Use water and gel to help control your section. Split your section into 2 separate pieces. Position your dreadlock in place with the bend at the top, just like normal. Then wrap the 2 sections around the dreadlock. Smooth them out as best you can and take a rubber band and ponytail that hair together around the dreadlock. So you now have a tiny little ponytail with your 2 ends of your dreads on either side. Take another rubber band and secure the leg of the ponytail to the lower half of the dreadlock. Depending on the length of your hair, you may need to use 2 rubber bands. Do a little bit of rubber band walking so that the top of your rubber band is in one area and the lower part of your rubber band is a bit farther down. That helps secure a few extra hairs. Continue wrapping your rubber bands until you have secured all of your lower hairs. And that is how you secure double-ended dreads onto extremely short hair.